Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to check message requests from app. First step is open the Facebook Messenger application for your Android and sign in using your Facebook account. You may see the message request option at the top of your chat history. If you don't follow this step, in the top left tap on your profile picture. Tap on the option that say message request. Toggle between the You May Know tab and the Spam tab. This will take you to a page that features a list of message requests that you have pending. If the list is empty, you don't have any message request.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.